In this video, I'm going to compare AutoDS with Yaballe to help you decide which tool is better for your dropshipping business. I'm going to compare each platform across a few different categories, including price, automation features, order fulfillment, tracking, and a bunch of other stuff. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a good idea about the pros and cons of each tool, and that's going to help you decide which one is better for you. For your convenience, I've included the links to both AutoDS and Yaballe in the description of this video so you can follow along or sign up as well. First, let's start with the pricing, starting with AutoDS. So as you can see, AutoDS has a variety of subscription plans that you can choose from, which can be advantageous for businesses at different stages of growth. Their pricing is based on the number of managed products and listings, which makes it scalable and flexible. So it starts from about $20 a month up to about $50 a month. And then if you need to manage more products and listings, then you can choose a customized package that goes up to quite a bit more, where you'd have to contact sales. Now, if we compare this to Yaballe's pricing structure, then Yaballe is favored for its competitive pricing, especially for people that are just starting out, or if you're operating on a smaller scale. They offer a pay-as-you-go model, which can be appealing for users who aren't ready for a monthly subscription. So as you can see, it's also based on the number of listings, and it goes all the way up to 100,000, and that the price is going to change based on that. And as you can see, anything over 100,000 active listings would require a custom package. They also offer separate products for monitoring, order tracking, and for managed accounts, which is order fulfillment. Now let's talk about the platform integration, so the integration capabilities of each platform, starting with AutoDS. As you can see, they offer integrations with some of the most popular tools for dropshipping, including Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, Wix, and WooCommerce. AutoDS integration capabilities are known for being robust, and they allow you to have a seamless experience no matter which environment you're selling on. Now let's talk about the integration for Yaballe. So Yaballe focuses on eBay and Amazon, offering specialized tools that are tailored for these platforms. And while its integration is slightly more limited in scope than AutoDS, it does excel in features designed specifically for eBay dropshippers. Now let's talk about the automation features, starting with AutoDS. While both platforms offer strong automation tools, AutoDS stands out with its advanced features like automatic price adjustments, restocking notifications, and bulk listing options, which are highly beneficial for scaling your operation. Now, Yaballe, on the other hand, also provides solid automation for order processing and inventory management, but it does lack some of the more advanced features that you would get with AutoDS. Now let's talk about the product sourcing and management, starting with AutoDS. Now, AutoDS shines in product sourcing with its built-in tool that allows users to import products directly from multiple suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. It provides detailed filters to streamline the selection process as well, so that makes your job a little bit easier as a dropshipper. Now let's compare that to Yaballe. While Yaballe is effective in management features, but it's less versatile in sourcing products from a broad range of suppliers, unlike AutoDS, which is better for this. But Yaballe does offer robust tools for product management, and it's really good for optimizing on eBay. Now let's talk about order fulfillment and tracking. So AutoDS offers more comprehensive tracking solutions and integrations with shipping software, which can enhance customer satisfaction because of their timely updates, whereas Yaballe maintains a competent system for order tracking, but it may require additional configurations or third-party tools if you want to reach the same level of efficiency as AutoDS. Now let's talk about customer support and training. AutoDS provides excellent customer support with a 24/7 chat service, extensive online tutorials like the ones that you can see here, and they have a responsive email team where you can just fill out a form and attach any screenshots or whatever and submit it, and they'll get back to you usually within 24 hours. Their community forums are also really valuable for helping you with with troubleshooting and tips. Yaballe also offers reliable customer support, although some users do report that the response times are slower during peak hours. But they do have some training, modules and tools here to help you answer your questions and help you get accustomed to the platform. But it's not quite on the same level with customer support as AutoDS. You can talk to support by filling out this form right here, but generally, it takes longer for them to get back compared to AutoDS. Now let's talk about the analytics and reporting tools, starting with AutoDS. AutoDS offers detailed reporting tools that help you track everything from your profit margins to your sales trends. So these insights are really crucial for making informed decisions to help you decide which products are actually working, which products you might have to swap out, and just give you kind of an idea of how well your business is doing. Yaballe provides basic analytics that are sufficient for routine monitoring, but they lack the depth that you would get with AutoDS, especially when it comes to custom reporting and data export options. Now let's talk about the user interface and ease of use, starting with AutoDS. So AutoDS boasts a really modern, user-friendly interface that's super easy to navigate for both beginners and experienced users. Its dashboard is really well organized, and that makes it super easy to manage multiple tasks. Now, Yaballe offers a practical interface that focuses on functionality, though it's not as polished as AutoDS. New users might need some time to get used to the layout and the navigation on Yaballe. Now let's talk about scalability, starting with AutoDS. Now both platforms are scalable, but AutoDS offers more flexibility in managing large volumes of listings and orders, which is really good for rapidly growing businesses. Now Yaballe is also pretty capable of scaling, but it's definitely better suited for a medium-sized business or for a business that specializes in specific marketplaces like eBay. Now let's talk about the reviews and community feedback. Let's look at the Trustpilot score of both AutoDS and Yaballe to see what customers think about each platform. Starting with AutoDS, they have 7,628 reviews with an average of a 4.8, which is an excellent rating, and this is a verified company. As you can see, almost all of their ratings are 5 stars, some 4 stars, and very few below that. And even really recent reviews as early as 8 hours ago saying how amazing AutoDS is. So it's a verified company and it has exceptionally high ratings. But how does Yaballe compare to this? Well, Yaballe only has 15 reviews with an average of 2.8, and it's a verified company, but the majority of their ratings are actually 1 star, so you can make of that what you will. Overall, I think AutoDS would be better for businesses that are looking for a comprehensive solution that's scalable and they want to support multiple platforms and have advanced automation tools and analytics. Now, Yaballe, on the other hand, could be more suitable if you're starting out with a strong focus on eBay and Amazon because it offers essential tools at a pretty accessible price point. So both platforms have their pros and cons, and you have to decide which one is better for you based on your specific business needs. I've included the links to both AutoDS and Yaballe in the description of this video and the pinned comment, so be sure to check them out. If you have any comments or questions, then drop them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.